Yeah, buddy. Okay, Duke. So now you want to go? Now you want to go? Really? You want to go? Really? You want to go? Like 2 minutes ago, you didn't want to go. You didn't tell me you was going, boss. Okay, well, maybe I didn't make that clear. Yeah, you want to go now? Come on, let's go. Come on. Poop, poop. Feed him up time. Feed him up time. Poop, poop. Feed him up. Feed him up. Feed him up. Feed him up. I already fed the big dogs. So, you know, please don't think this is somehow, hey, Ben has trained his Airedales to let the little dogs eat first. Really? No, I have not. Come on, Duke, you beast. Yeah, that's not possible. Much as I love my Airedales, I can't train them to do that. I also can't train them, apparently, to go potty in the grass when it's wet. Really? The sidewalk is drier? Is that why? What? Is that why? Yeah, I see you. I see you, you beast. Gold. Go ribbon with green. Yeah, I see you. 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 Little girls, pups. I see you. I see you, you beast. Who else we got out here? Who else? Let me start with my oldest girl. What? Yeah, you. What? Hold on a second. That's not good. Hold on. There you go. Come on. That's not a good look for an Airedale. You know? Yeah, my dog. What? She'll go anywhere. Come on, Duke. Duke. Them all little girls' puppies. Our little girl has 7 girls, so if you're looking for a girl, pretty confident. Duke, leave that dog alone. I'm pretty confident. We got some girls out here. And we got a few boys, too, because got 2 boys. Casey has some boys. Yeah. And Gibbity, a little boy, is out here. Where is that dog? I don't want to go that way. I don't want to go that way. I've been that way. Come on, let's go this way. The other night it was dark out here, and I attempted to show Chanel. I thought, look, let me show her. Let me show her again when it's not dark. Oh my God, they're almost touching each other. These are doing a good job. Pups, are you doing a good job? Are you? Going that way, past the backhoe to the gate kind of thing. There's my big girl. All right, come on, let's keep it moving. How long are we in this? I got like another 30 seconds. Okay, I'm determined I'm not posting a long video. Pups. Where's Rosie? That's a good potty puppy. What in the heck are my neighbors doing over there? Do you hear that? Hate to hear a dog cry. Where's Rosie? All right, let me find her. Isn't that you? What? Dark red, yellow, what? Oh, heck, I gotta look at my cheat sheet. All right, folks, talk to you next time.